guys, welcome to our healthy tips moment with us, and let us look at blood detoxification naturally at home. This is a healthy recipe for you, so watch till the end, for your health is our priority. As we all know that our blood is responsible in transporting oxygen, hormones, sugar, fats and cells to our immune system. Due to this important role the blood plays in our body, therefore it is a necessity to keep your blood clean, pure and toxin free in order to ensure a proper functioning of the body, okay? Take note that your kidney and your liver are the major body organ, okay, that is responsible for this purification of the blood. So there are some home remedies that can help in detoxification process, which we are going to look into it right now. Hope you are ready. Please kindly subscribe as you watch our natural home remedy for blood purification. Thank you for doing that. Rapidly, let's dive into our blood purification items and how to go about it. The main ingredients are neem, coriander, mint, lemon and water. Neem on its part has antibacterial and antifungal properties and can also remove harmful toxins from the blood by helping your liver and kidney. Also, mint and coriander on its part got chlorophyll in the leaves, which helps a lot in cleaning your blood. While lemon juice helps to clear your blood and digestive tract that may interfere with your health, this lemon juice is acidic in nature and can alter your pH level, which is useful in removing toxins from the blood. Water on its part is also known as the best purifier of blood, and that is why you are always advised to drink sufficient water. The more water you drink, the purer your blood will be. Now, after understanding the functions of each of these items listed above, here is the process on how to prepare them for blood detoxification. Take half cup of neem leaves, half cup of coriander leaves, half cup of mint leaf, and 1 cup of water, okay? Blend the leaves in water to get a smooth mixture. Then, if you do not have fresh neem leaves, you may also add 1 tablespoon of neem leaf powder. You can strain the mixture if needed and add a pinch of rock salt. Also squeeze 1 whole lemon inside and mix very well. Then your detox is now fully ready for consumption, which will greatly help you to purify your blood. You can drink 1 cup of this detox in the morning, between breakfast time and lunch time. And if this works well for you and your system, then you can have it for a week. Hope this was helpful and educative. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share the video out, okay? For sharing is caring, and also subscribe for more healthy videos as such. From me to you, all is love. Remain healthy and joyous. Bye for now.